Hey there, welcome back to another episode on the athomedive YouTube channel. As always, my name is Joey and today we're in the kitchen making another classic, meatballs. So sit back, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive right in. So on the counter today we have a really simple list of ingredients. We're going to start with 12 ounces of really lean ground beef, followed by 4 ounces of finely ground pork, 3 cloves of garlic that are really finely minced, 2 tablespoons of oregano, 2 tablespoons of parsley, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1/2 cup of finely diced onion. So for the procedure today, it's really simple. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add everything into the ground beef. And then we're going to go ahead and add in the egg that I forgot to mention. And we're just going to mix it together very well with our hands. Once everything's well incorporated, what we're going to do is we're going to try to roll them into golf ball sized spheres and place them on a sheet tray. So our oven's set to 375 degrees and we're going to go right in for about 25 minutes or until they're lightly pink on the inside. So it's been the 25 minutes and now the meatballs are done. As you can see, they've started to lose a little bit of the fat and they're nice and firm. So we're good to go. If you want, you can go ahead and throw them over into your pasta sauce or you can just eat them like this, your choice. So that wraps us up on how to make meatballs. Make sure you subscribe. Comment below and let me know how yours turn out and what you like putting your meatballs on, whether it's meatball subs or pasta, your choice. Thanks for watching, have a good day.